Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. I'm going to show you how to make awesome paint splashes for your Canva designs. First, click Create, then select Custom Size. Enter 300 by 300 pixels. Next, go to Elements and search for a paint splash. Click the paint splash to add it to your design. Select an effect from the list. Choose one you like, then duplicate it. Next, apply rotation to the duplicated effect. This will create a dynamic visual change. Adjust the rotation settings as needed to achieve your desired look. This process enhances your project with movement and depth. Select the lines to enlarge. Increase their thickness for better visibility. Next, change the color to black by accessing the color palette. Confirm the changes to apply the new size and color to the selected lines in your project. Next, save your work by clicking the Save button. Then, select the Share option to share your project with others. After that, choose Download and pick PNG as the file format. Finally, click the Download button to save the image to your device. This sequence ensures your file is saved, shared, and downloaded correctly in PNG format. Follow these steps to effectively manage and export your project files. First, select the current image and press Delete to remove it. Next, click the Add Image button to insert a new background. Browse your files and choose the desired image. Once selected, it will appear on the canvas. Adjust its size and position as needed to fit the layout perfectly. Confirm the changes by clicking the Apply button. This updates your background efficiently without affecting other elements. First, open the website and navigate to the search bar. Type in the keyword related to the image you need. Press Enter, or click the search icon to see the results. Look for the filter options and select Free to display only images available at no cost. Scroll through the free images and choose one that fits your project. Click on the image to open it in full view, then select the Download button. Save the image to your desired folder, and you're ready to use it in your work. Click the filter icon to open the filter menu. Select the desired criteria from the available options to narrow your search results. Apply the filter to update the displayed items based on your selection. This helps you quickly find what you need without scrolling through all entries. Click the Try Free button to start your risk-free trial. Explore all features and see how the software can improve your workflow without any commitment. Click the leaf image to select it. Next, click Edit, then choose Upscale from the menu to enhance the image quality. After the image has been upscaled, click the Download button. In the Download options, select PNG as the file format. Finally, confirm your selection to save the upscaled leaf image as a PNG file to your device. This process improves image resolution for better clarity and quality. Click the Download button to save your file now. First, delete the existing image. Next, locate your downloaded image file. Open the Apps menu and find the Blend Image option. Select Blend Image to open the tool. Choose the first image for the top layer by clicking on it. This sets your downloaded image as the overlay in the blend. Make sure the top layer is correctly selected before proceeding with any blending or adjustments. This ensures your composition starts with the right image in place for further editing or effects. Follow these steps carefully to blend your images correctly. Next, select the bottom layer, then add the desired element carefully to enhance the composition. Make sure the alignment matches and blends seamlessly with the existing layers. Click the Add to Design button to insert the selected element into your current project workspace quickly. First, delete the selected item by clicking the Delete button. Next, navigate to the toolbar and select the Text tool. Click on the desired area of your project to place the text box. Type your text clearly and adjust the font, size, and color using the text formatting options. When satisfied with the appearance, click outside the text box to apply the changes. Finally, save your work by clicking the Save button to ensure your text is properly added and retained in the project. First, click the Effects tab. Next, select Color and choose the 3-gel option. Then, duplicate this effect. After duplicating, select the black outline effect on the copy. Once you have applied these effects, click the Share button to open sharing options. From there, choose Download to save your work. This process allows you to apply multiple effects and easily save your project. Remember to check each effect before saving to get the desired look. Now, your edited design with both the 3-gel color and black outline effects is ready for use or sharing with others. Save this file as a PNG to preserve image quality. Before exporting, make sure to maximize the size to capture the best detail. Increasing resolution ensures a sharper, clearer image for your project. Always check your settings before saving to avoid low-quality results. Following these steps will give you the highest quality output for your needs. Now you know how to create a paint splash effect in Canva. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative tips.